So Ken, we saw how the high compliance active suspension keeps the tip and tail in contact with the snow all the time. But there's a secondary suspension built into the chassis, and it's a flex adjuster. It adjusts the progressive flex of the ski. And we can change the personality of the ski from a soft, supple cruiser that'll just snake through the bumps, and we can crank it up and stiffen it to be a GS race ski. I'm going to show you that right now. I have it in the soft position now. I want you to put your hand up here, and put your other hand on that, and I want you to flex it, and you'll see there's a third elastomer here. I want you to flex it until it just engages the third elastomer. There you go. Okay, good. See what that feels like? Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice and easy. Now, you see there's a little dial here. I'm going to turn that dial. There's 10 clicks. Okay, and I'm going to dial it up now to the stiff position. You have 10 positions you can go in between. Okay, again, put your hand up on top, same place. Put your hand on the toe binding, and again, flex it till it touches. Go ahead.
Whoa, thing's got some pushback.
You're not even close. Come on, put the muscle.
Wow.
Amazing. So it changes to a GS race ski, and the beauty of it is you've got two adjusters, one for the tip, one for the tail, and you can actually do them independently, so you can have a softer tip, stiff tail, whatever you want. Total personality change. So in the middle of the day, you feel like you're doing some bumps, you can soften it up. You're doing some icy black diamonds, crank it down, and you're on your way.
I like it.
Now, the next thing, which is really important in the ski, is torsional rigidity. And what that means is that when you make a boot movement, on a shape ski, it's the wide tip and tail that's engaging the snow. Mm-hmm. So when you make those little subtle boot movements, you want that tip and tail to instantly do what you want it to do. In a conventional ski, you're basically twisting the ski. So you move the boot, and that motion has to go through the ski and twist the tip. Mm-hmm. So before, if you had a very flexible ski, you were in trouble because it's hard to make a flexible ski that's torsionally rigid. Mm-hmm. So what we've done here is amazing. The runner is extremely supple, as you saw. The torsional rigidity is the same spring. This is a continuous filament composite. The spring which keeps the pressure is also pinned here. It can't twist. So imagine now that you have a handle right here on the tip, and this handle is connected to your boot. So instead of twisting the ski to get the tip to engage, your boot is reaching out and literally grabbing the tip. So you bring your boot over like this, it's instantaneous. And it's amazing, the response to it. So here, grab it here. You can feel the torsional rigidity. Grab it here, try to twist.
Whoa. Definitely.
So you basically have one of the most flexible skis in the world and one of the most torsionally rigid. The response is instantaneous.